What is Make? Make is a digital automation platform that allows you to design, build, and automate tasks, connecting them to form seamless workflows. These workflows can be executed in various ways, with the click of a button, scheduled to run daily or weekly, or even triggered by external events like a customer submitting a form. Let's dive in and see how it works by building an example together. Step 1. Create a scenario. To begin, we first create a scenario. Think of a scenario as a blank canvas, where you can add modules and connect them to form a workflow. Click the plus icon to create your first module. Search for weather and select the Get Current Weather module. A configuration screen will appear. Type in New York, America, and click OK. To test this module, right-click on it and select Run this module only. The module will process the request and return data. You'll see an input section showing that New York is being sent, an output section displaying the return data such as temperature, wind, speed, weather status, and description. Now, you might wonder, what can I do with this data? Let's put it to use by sending it. To another module, click the plus icon on the right. To add a second module, search for Google Sheets and choose the Add Row module. Now let's set up the connection. Before configuring this module, you'll need to prepare a Google Sheet. Open Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet. Add headers temperature, wind speed, status, and name the sheet New York Weather. Now, return to Make and configure the module. Select Search by Path and locate the spreadsheet you just created. Choose My Drive. Choose the new created spreadsheet. Make sure Choose Yes for table contains headers. Under Values, we're going to map the columns to values returned from the Weather module. Click OK to save the configuration. Step 3. Run the workflow. It's time to test the entire workflow. Click the Run Once button. Watch the workflow in action as the Get Current Weather module retrieves the weather data and passes it to the Add Row module in Google Sheets. When it's done, open your Google Sheet to see the new row with the weather data added automatically. Why use this workflow? Imagine performing this task manually. You need to visit a weather website, copy the data, and paste it into your spreadsheet, repeating the process daily. With Make, this workflow is fully automated. You can run it manually by clicking Run Once. Schedule it to run daily so your spreadsheet updates automatically beyond weather data. This is just one example of what you can achieve with Make. Here are other use cases. Generating invoices automatically when an order is completed. Scheduling and automating social media posts across multiple platforms. The possibilities are endless. With Make, you can save time, reduce manual work, and focus on what matters most. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful.